So hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create branching in the GitHub. So in the previous video we have seen like how to create GitHub account, how to install Git bash, as well as how to create the Git repository. We have created one repository and that we have pushed one project with two files. First we have pushed one index.html file with commit message, and again we have inserted one more file, that is home.html, and we have committed to that file as well. So here you can see there is only one master branch. By default this branch will be there, and in this video we are going to see how to create multiple branches and what is the need of the branch. So if still you have not subscribed to my channel, then please go ahead and subscribe and click on the bell icon to see my upcoming videos. So without wasting time, let's start for the video. My name is Gaurav, and in this video we are going to see what is branching and how to create the branch and what is the need of the branch. So in the previous video we have seen what is the git init command, and with this we have seen some basic commands of the git. Then we have seen the git flow. If you have still not watched my previous video, then please go and watch that video. I will put that link into the description as well, so you will get easily what I meant to say in this video, because my each video will based on its previous video. So without wasting time, let's go start. Branch in Git. A branch will allow to make a copy while not affecting the original branch. It means, suppose here is one project manager and he want to make some code. He have some ready project with him, but he wants some additional changes into that and he don't have time for that. So what he will do, he will he will tell his colleagues to do that work, and as well as soon as the work is completed, ping me. I will merge your code into my original code. So for that, the master will going to make copy for this. Suppose these are the three developers, then he will make the copy like developer 1, developer 2 and developer 3 branches. These three branches he will make and hand over to these three developers, and he will tell, once the work is done, ping me, I'll see, and if everything is okay, then I will going to merge your project into my project. The reason behind this is we can't give directly the original copy of the project, because in case if these developers make any mistake into the original copy, then it will going to affect the whole project, and that we don't want to do, right? So that's why we are making the branching to work on the same project individually. I hope you are getting, and if you are not getting, then comment me in this video. I will try to reach out you. So let's start for the practical. In the last video we have seen what is the git init command, git remote command, git status. Then we have committed our project. Before that we have added the files, then we have committed using some message. Then we have seen how to push the project into the remote origin. So far we have learned this much things. Now let's start for the git branch. So here I clear the command prompt, and now I'll show you how to make the branch. Before that we will see what are the contents in the file I have. So here if I want to see the content of any file, then I will use the cat command. Then here you can see these are the lines which I added into my this index.html file, right? So here what I want to do is I want to do I want to keep only these two lines. I want to remove this remaining lines. I don't want this into my project, but I don't have time for that. Then I will make one git repository, one git branch, separate branch, and I will tell my junior developer to make the changes in this file without removing these two lines. Just remove these remaining lines, right? In the previous video we have make one front end project, and that we have make two files, right? So here we'll see in this file what we have. In this file, suppose I open it using notepad. Then here are some contents are there, right? So here what I want is I want just these two lines. So what I will do is I don't have time to make these changes, then I will tell my one of the colleague to make these changes, just skip these two lines and remove these remaining lines. But I don't want to affect the original project. In case if we delete the whole lines, then what, right? So it will affect the whole project, so that's why I don't want to hand over him original project. So I'll do, I will make one separate branch for him. See how to create a separate branch for the another developer. So here we are coming to our git bash. If you don't know how to open that, I'll show you again. You just go to your project where you have your main folder, right click and open the git bash. Here the git bash will get open. Right now it's open. So now first we will see what are the contents using the command into the index.html file. So I have that index.html file into my front end project. So here I'll hit this command and you can see here I have this contents. So what I told you, I just want these two lines, I don't want this remaining lines into this. So what I will do, I will make one separate branch. So before that we will see what are the branches right now we have. So we have here only one branch, that is master branch, that is default branch. So let's start to create a new branch. So the command for that is git branch, and suppose we will name it as new branch. You can name it as whatever you want. So I enter here, and if you now see what are the branches, then here you can see there are two branches, the master branch and the new branch. So here you can see there is one star and the master is highlighted in the green color. That means you are currently into the master branch. Here you can see that branch as well. So now I want to check out to this new branch. As you go into the airport, you have to check out, right? So similarly here we are going to check out into the new branch. So command for this is git checkout and the new branch name. So this is the name of the branch name. So as soon as I enter here, you can see switch to branch, new branch. So we are here into the new branch. Now suppose if I enter the git branch again, and here you can see now the new branch is highlighted, and here also the name is changed, new branch, that it is showing that you are currently into the new branch. Now as I told you, I just want the two lines, I don't want this remaining line. So what I will do, I will go into that file using this command notepad. My file is into this front end project and the file name is index.html. As soon as I enter, the notepad will get open, right? And here what I will do, I will just simply remove this line and save it, and will close this file. Once I close this file, and if you again want to see the content of that file, then simply you can use the cat command, and here you can see only the two lines are there. Before there was this much contents, right? As we know, before doing any operation we have to see the status of the current project. So we will simply enter the git status command, and here you can see our index.html file is changed and it is not committed. So now we will going to add this into the staging area. In the previous video I explained you what is the work space, what is the staging area, what is the local repository, and what is the remote repository. So if you have not watched that video, then go and see that video once. So here we have to add this file, so we will use simply git add dot command. Here we can mention as front end our project name and the file name, that is index.html, but here I am going to simply use git add dot command. So now it will add the index.html into the staging area. Now again, if we see the status of the project, then it will show that this file is into the staging area. That's why it is showing this into the green color. Before it was in red color, right? So moving ahead, we have to now commit this. Then we have command for this, that is commit, git commit, and the name of message for that commit. So this will be my third commit. So I will put the message third commit. With that, I am adding the new branch, right? And this is the message for my commit. As soon as I enter, you can see this branch is committed, one file is changed, one insertion is done, and two deletions is done. So here our commit is done. Now the our project into the local repository we bring, right? Now we have to move this local repository project to the remote repository. So if you will see into the our GitHub, there will be only one branch, right? That is master branch. But here we have make one new branch, that is new branch, but it is not added yet. Why? Because this branch is in your local repository. So until and unless we have not pushed this branch, it will not be displayed here, right? So we will push this branch into the remote. So for that we have command, that is git push and the minus u and the origin, that our name of the repository, and then we will specify master. Sorry, we have to specify here our current branch name, that is the new branch, right? So I will hit this command again, and here you can see the branch, the content of this branch is uploaded successfully. Now if I refresh this again, you will see the one more branch. Here you can see the one more branch, that is new branch, is added into the project. And if here in the master branch, if you see the index.html file, here you will see this content which we have added into the previous video, right? But if you go into the local, into the your new branch, and if you see in this index.html, then here these new contents are added, right? Which we have edited, that I said you that we just want these two lines. So we are into the new branch. So suppose I have to go into the I have to check out into my master branch, then I will use git checkout and my master branch name. So here I switch to my master branch, and if here I enter this command cat frontend and the index.html, then here you will see my old content. Here the new content are. So now what I can say is, whatever I said to my colleague, he did that very well, and I want to merge that branch into my master branch, right? So for that I will using merge command, I will do that, like git merge and the name of the branch, that is new branch. So git merge and the new branch, I want to merge the new branch into my current branch, right? So I'll simply hit enter here, and here you can see one file is changed, one insertion is happen, and two deletion, right? So here what I will do is, I will see my file again using this cat command, and here you can see before the when I enter this command, here the content was different and now the content was different. This contents was my old content, and these are my new content which did by another colleague, right? So everything is fine. Now I just want to push this new project into the GitHub. So for that I'll simply use git push minus u origin and the master. Origin is name of the repository and master is name of the branch. So here I'll simply enter, and here you can see the project is started uploading. So yeah, here we go. the project is successfully uploaded to the Git. And if we again come to this our main master branch, then you can see into the index.html file the new contents are added successfully. So here we have seen so far how to create a branch, like using git branch, and the new branch is the name of the branch. Then second, we have checkout into the new branch using git checkout command. Then the third, we have enter last at the end we have merged the two branches, right, using git merge command. So this is very simple way I have explained you how to create the branch, how to check out into the branch, and how to merge these two branch. So whenever you will work on some project and you don't want to affect the original project, so it's better to create one separate branch and to do whatever changes you want into that. Once the changes are done and everything is fine, and at the end if you see, yeah, you are sure that yeah, everything is okay and now I want to merge, then you can go ahead and merge that project. So here I'll stop this video, and if you still not subscribed to my YouTube, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Here is the GitHub playlist. This was my first previous video. If you have not seen that yet, then go ahead and see that. Then whatever the next videos, upcoming GitHub related videos, I'll put this into this my GitHub playlist. And if you have any doubt, then please go and comment me on this YouTube, and in this video I will try to reach out as soon as possible. I hope